Hello everybody, this is my third vending machine. It's very small and very simple. There's a coin slot there for these kind of cash. It doesn't really do anything, it's just decorations. And that's the lever. So just simply put a coin in. Sometimes rejects. Okay, good. Then you push this lever. You gotta make sure to pull it back. And you get one free soda. And then you pull it over. As much as the second one. So you put another one and try again. There goes the second soda. Try the third time. There. There goes your third soda. And then try the last time. Sorry, tricks. There. There goes your fourth soda. This is how to get the money out. It's the same way as the second one. There. This is how to refill the machine. Okay. As the same as the second one, use the holder to make the soda stand firmly. And I'll show you the mechanisms. The money doesn't do anything, just goes in, and there's a slope right in there. There. Push that in and take it out. And everything moves over. There. Try the second time. Over there. And then try the second. Then the third time. And push. Then try the last time. There you go. And I'll show you how to do it. The money didn't fall in. Whatever. It's the same as that. It's like more like a L or something. You push out. It goes with this, the lever, in and out. The money doesn't do anything. So this is the end of my show. Thank you for watching, and come here and subscribe.